Adding flags and tags. Add notes in the form of flags or tags, and link them to projects or vendors. To add a flag, click the Flag submenu under the Administration main menu. Click the Add button, enter a name, select the project type flag, then select a color. Repeat the process, but this time select the vendor type flag. Once the flag has been added, click the icon at the top of the tender overview screen. Only the flags that have been created as project type flags will be shown. Select the flags, and click the Save button. They will then be visible at the top of the tender overview screen. Flags can also be added directly from within the pop-up itself. Click the plus icon, enter the details, and click the Save button. The flag will then be added to the list, and automatically selected. To link a vendor type flag, open the External User Manager, select a vendor, then click the Flags tab. Click the Add Flag button. Only the flags that are set as vendor type flags will be listed. Enter an optional comment, then click the Insert button. The flag will now show in the flag list. Click the Delete icon to remove the flag, or click the Edit icon if the flag needs further editing.